Hi, my name's Leo Cummings III, and I'm reading a book by David McKnight, The Badger and the Telekinetic Kangaroo. Hi, I'm David the Kangaroo. My neighbor and friend is a badger. He and I really like playing tag around the tar pit. Tag is fun, but bad things can happen sometimes. Some of the bad things that have happened were scratching our knee on the triceratop horns or getting our foot stuck. We always try to avoid those things. Adrien and I were naming our favorite dinosaurs in his burrow. Then, after a while, we got bored and decided to play tag around the tar pit. First, I jumped over the highest bone in the tar pit. Then, Adrien was trying to jump over the shortest bone, and he succeeded. The bone he was on was much shorter than the spot that I was at. I asked, "Can you jump to the highest bone?" "Yes," he said. While he was getting ready to jump, he yelled, "Dude!" I asked him what was wrong, and he said his foot was stuck. I grabbed his arm and tried to get his foot unstuck. It was so difficult because kangaroos don't have opposable thumbs. After that, I concentrated on getting his foot out so much that all I could see was his foot out of the tar. Then, it magically moved out of place. I was so surprised by his foot moving, I almost passed out. I like helping with my newly discovered telekinetic powers so much that I asked if he had any other problems that he needed help with. He said yes. I asked him what he needed help with. He asked me if I could get his lost stick from the scary cave, and I did. Finally, we were happy. Adrien's foot was unstuck, and I realized that I like helping other animals. Next time help is needed, I will assist them.